Lord, when I count the roads behind me, the tears, the victories, the doors, the lessons, I can only say, Imerem mama. All you've done for me is good. There were days I did not understand why the storm would stay so long. Nights I thought you had forgotten, still you kept me strong. Obim judu na juju, my heart was full of questions, yet mercy led me through. Now I see what pain was hiding, you were working too. What I call delay protected me from harm. What I called a burden brought me to your arms. All you've done is good. Meremdi mama, even through the tears, you were faithful, Lord. All you've done is good. You kept me when I could not stand. All you've done is good. Now I praise you with both hands. Some closed doors became my rescue. Some losses set me free. Some prayers you answered with silence, because you could still see. And I give you thanks for the things I never knew. Every unseen danger, every mercy you carried me through. Now my eyes are open, now my heart can tell. Hey, even in the valley, you did all things well. All you've done is good. Yeah, you turn stars to songs and pain to praise, my Lord. All you've done is good. You held me in the darkest rain. All you've done is good. I will bless your name again. Hey, hey, hey. Thank you, Lord. 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 All the tears that taught me faith. Thank you, Lord. Because I can please receive my thanks for closed doors, for open ones, for battles fought and victories won. Hey, hey, all you've done is good. All you've done is good. All you've done is good. Now my life will testify. You never failed me once. All you've done is good. From beginning to today, all you've done is good. Forever I will praise. Imeremdi mama, you've been good. Thank you, Lord.